This 2007 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 40PDQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, awning, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2007 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 40PDQ is built on a Freightliner XCM Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins I6 Diesel Pusher engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.